usiku tele, usiniache gizani. Bwana wangu, msaada wako haukomi. Usiku tele, usiniache gizani. Bwana wangu, msaada wako haukomi. Usiku tele, gizani. Bwana wangu, msaada wako haukomi. Usiku tele, usiniache gizani. Bwana wangu, msaada wako haukomi. Usiku tele, usiniache gizani. Bwana wangu, msaada wako haukomi.
This is Omoro Thomas Odiwuor, a member of Letter Rain Ministers. I represent the group at a level of chairperson. I had a group of 12 people. We are currently affiliated at Ringa SDA. This group began some days back, that is 2 years. The main mission of this group is to spread the gospel, but we, however, do it through many ways. We do the song. That is our main mission. But additionally, we also carry out things like work of compassion to others. We would also wish to help the needy. In some years to come, we would wish not only to carry out the music in us, but we would also like to carry out things like crusade. We would also like to help people around us, so that through our group, many souls get to be helped. Otherwise, the group is at Ringa SDA. We welcome everybody. We have occasional trainings. We welcome you all the time. Thank you for now.